Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for the following counties: Stoddard County in southeastern Missouri, Wayne County in southeastern Missouri, Carter County in southeastern Missouri, and Carter County in southeastern Missouri until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. An unknown entity has been spotted all over the Missouri area, killing those who are in his sight. It is now headed towards your area. Residents of Stoddard, Wayne, Carter, and Ripley County are advised to follow the following steps in the next 15 minutes for their life. Lock all possible entrances to your home. Go to the most cramped part of your home and remain there until further notice. Turn off anything that produces light, sound, or anything that can be distracting to those outside. Keep a battery-powered radio on you at all times at the lowest volume possible. Do not go outdoors. If you go outdoors, you will be killed. At this time, follow the precautions previously stated. Do not panic.